as you can see it for yourself. Beautiful, lovely, and also delicious. Alright? So yeah, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And that's the way it's gonna go this morning. Alright, it's gonna be a simple one from Chef Ricardo. Simple but also delicious. So the first thing what I want to do is get half of a ripe banana. Alright. And then we're gonna put it straight in our blender. Get one apple. Alright. I'm just gonna cut up my apple in the meantime. Alright. So that's the apple right there. Beautiful one for you to have in the morning. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a little piece of a ginger to bring in a little bit of spice to it. All right, just a little piece of a ginger, and then just a little bit of lemon juice. So we're gonna squeeze a little bit of lime juice in it, and then definitely gonna bring in a lovely flavor to it. All right. Also, we got orange, which we wanna use inside of it. All right. So I'm just gonna remove the skin from the orange. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and use one whole orange inside of it. All right. Yeah. So we're gonna put one whole orange inside of it, just like this. It's just something where you know what I mean, something where you can make at home, guys. To be honest with you. Just something where you can try and see how that come out really lovely for you at home. All right. As I say, you don't have to. It's just option. You know what I mean? It's just something where you can say to yourself, you know what? I saw this recipe on Chef Ricardo. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna try it. Put roughly about a teaspoon of honey inside of it. All right. Then what we're gonna do is put a little bit of water in it, and then we're gonna blend it for about 2 to 3 seconds. Lovely. It's gonna be an amazing one. So as you can see, I just blend it at the moment. Alright, that's lovely. So the banana, give it a lovely finish off, smoothie look. Nice one. And that's exactly what I'm talking about right there. That is just lovely. Now, I'm just gonna put some seeds in it. This is lovely and nice. Also, we got some tropical nuts. You can just put a little bit of tropical nuts in it. And that just bring off a lovely flavor to it. as you can see it for yourself. That is just fantastic, amazing, lovely, and also delicious. All right, so yeah, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, because you don't know what happen, guys. We will always come with some of the best recipe them in the world from Chef Ricardo. So yeah, as you can see, this one is just a very simple, easy, and delicious one from Chef Ricardo this morning. But not only that, it doesn't finish. I can still give you something else. All right, I'm gonna give you something else, guys, to be honest with you. All right. I'm gonna give you another drink which gonna blow your brain. All right. Then this one is just something totally different from every other else drink which I normally made at home. All right. So simple and delicious. But this one we got ginger. All right. Got ginger, and also we got lemon. This is just another one which me personally believe is just an amazing drink for you to have at home. All right, we got some fresh mint which we're gonna also put in it. You know what I mean? This one can just put a nice, lovely piece of fresh mint into it, and that just bring in a lovely flavor to it. Beautiful. I got some cucumber. I'm just gonna remove the skin from my cucumber which I have. All right, I'm already washed my cucumber. I'm just gonna simple remove the skin. All right, so here it is, cucumber. All right, just gonna chop up the cucumber like this, and that's gonna be lovely. It's just one of those kind of drink where you want to make at home. Then put a little bit of water, not much. 95% of the cucumber is water, and you don't want to overdo it too much. So it's like a shot. All right, here it is. Lovely. And what you want to do next, after you blend that a little bit, you want to get one of those green apple, which I have right here left over. Because green apple is very, very good. All right. So we're gonna put some green apple in it. Nice one. So we're using one whole green apple. Beautiful. So we're just gonna blend up this one right here. Nice one. So once I blend it, beautiful. Alright. Just gonna put a little bit of that seeds on top of it. Yeah, that's it, guys. That is just so lovely and delicious. All right. So yeah, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have so much recipe coming, guys, for you. You might not even know what's going on in the kitchen right now. That is just amazing and fantastic, beautiful but also delicious. All right, so please share the video, and also, yeah, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. So yeah, subscribe is also very important for you guys to subscribe to the YouTube channel and click in the notification bell. All right, yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned in. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Culinary team. And don't forget, clicking the notification bell is very, very important. All right, guys, it's just something healthy and also delicious, good for weight loss and also detoxing of the body. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in, and we will definitely see you in the